Let's go.
Wait, how do you do it? After another video, please make sure to smash that like button and hit the bell for more notifications. Anyways, let's get right into this. We have Pokemon Sword and Shield, Astral Radiance, Pokemon
Sword and Shield,
Lost Origins, Silver Tempest, and
Brilliant Stars.
I don't know which one's the best. Which one should we save for last?
They're all good.
I think you should save Silver.
Alright, Kuba.
My favorite
better be
one's the
good.
one where it goes like that.
What am I even hunting for?
EXs, GXs, the dual ones because they changed up the game again.
If it's
I don't
shiny,
know, they made the glue
good.
too.
He's got to bring back the skills.
The fifth one.
You gotta
back
do
is-
the
back is always
bring the
shiny.
cards to the
Wait,
back.
okay, what do I do? What do I
Bring the first
Blue
three to the
gifts.
back so
You're
then
really
you
good
get
at
better
it.
luck.
The first three to the back.
I learned that.
These ones?
Yes.
Oh, you already saw it though. You ruined it.
Oh!
Okay, you have Halucha,
Oh, let's go.
Rufflet.
Rufflet. Oh, I got a hollow. That's probably worth like a ton of money.
Milo Quiet.
Oh, yes!
You got the fighting energy.
I got some. Yo, I pulled like an upgrade. Oh, okay. Here, guys, if you want this code.
I have so many of them.
I don't think I've ever used one of those.
Sandy Gast.
Oh, such disappointment. No, I got.
Oh, it's that.
All right, Kuba, this better not. Right, you better have not given me weighted packs. I'm gonna be pissed off. That means like they pull out all the.
Well, it would be it's like
2 hours later.
I don't know. They don't.
no, I understand the struggle. I do the same thing.
6.5 hours later.
Sam just has, if
the
Sam
two.
can get
Okay, put the first three in the.
cards, then he'll be a millionaire.
Stop looking at it.
And then give.
The first
first
three
three
in
in the
the
back.
You're getting such bad cards because
Oh
you
my
keep
God.
looking at them.
And then you turn to the front.
So like
to the
this,
front.
1, 2, 3, and these
the
go
front.
in the front like that.
There's a certain way you open.
Yeah.
I guess I used
Slam.
Oh, I got a cat one.
Did you know
Let's
that
go.
a ball form of this one can run faster than a fighter jet?
Huge
Whoa.
score.
And it's a really fast game.
This is the only reason I'm shaking.
Yes, let's go.
Show it to the camera.
Oh my God, I got Vespa
Queen.
Queen.
Sam,
Yes.
remember this. You gotta go like this. Okay. I got this card. You're doing it
I
wrong.
don't know. I'm used to like the over top view.
Put your hands flat.
I'm out of my element.
Yeah. This is the okay.
Oh my God, I got it.
Oh my God.
Evil.
Now that I'm above me showing it to over here.
Oh,
Just getting the fighting energy.
yeah, I got some fight in me.
This is the good pack right here. Brilliant stars.
All right, Kuba, you better. My birthday will be ruined if I don't. What is it called? I need to get an EX.
Alright, if you want that, you take it. 1, 2, 3. It's hard to make it 6 actually.
Sam's gonna get copyrighted.
Oh shoot.
Alright.
Improvise.
Hey, change the key.
What is this one? Tropius.
We don't believe in copyright infringement.
Oh my God, man, you ruined.
No damage.
Oh damn it! I was gonna get all these graded.
Trapinch.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, it's got my favorite symbol. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Go.
Oh, let's go!
holy
I got a
crap.
hollow, I think.
You always get
You always get a hollow.
electric.
No, you just put your choice belt in the non.
Oh, sorry. Kuba, this is a. All right, let's go. Oh. Oh, let's go! Yes.
Wait, maybe we're not supposed to be putting 3 in the back.
That's so fire. I got Shannon.
No, I think it's like 3 in the front.
Oh yeah, maybe we're supposed to put 3 in the
It's 3 in the front. Hoopa's a mythical Pokemon.
Sam, you have to show the people what you're getting.
Oh, sorry. I got
That's a mythical.
Koopa.
Oh my god.
Oh, is that rare? Oh, let's go. I got metal.
Oh my God, go get a paper towel.
Hello, Dolly Shaker.
Please, I know.
Oh, no, not the Hello Dolly.
And the hot hands.
No. Oh no, you're gonna ruin the hot hands.
blocks are ruined. Gotta restore.
Please. God, please.
Okay,
What are you doing? Please take the paper towel. No.
None of these are worth that much, right?
Good save, good save.
Sorry, I was having.
Hi.
Hi.
Kind of disappointing you so far.
This is becoming the greatest episode of Pizza Cat and Cars in history, you know? Let's go.